Want to download apps on your Mac? It's easy. I will show you 2 simple ways to do it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Click the App Store icon in your dock or search for it using the magnifying glass. Here, search for App Store and click Open. I want to download Microsoft Copilot from here, so I'm going to the work category. Now here is the Copilot app. Just click on the Get button. If it is your first time, then you need to sign in, give your credentials, give your password, then click on Get Again and the app will be installed. Now click on Open and here is our app. The second method is go to your Safari app, then search for the app you want to download. In this case, I want to download Audacity. Click on Download. After that, go to the download and drag it to your application folder. Now from here, click Open and the app will be opened. So that's it guys. If this will help you, please don't forget to give it a like and thanks for watching.